This 2025 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 7154 RBX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 19 feet 6 inches in length and features a driftwood decor interior, sleep 6, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, LP detector, microwave, skylight, leveling jacks, water heater, external shower, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 7154 RBX is 3,388 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.